Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to add audio to a video in Vidently. Vidently is a desktop video creation app with which you can create videos using pre-made video templates. You get 200 professionally designed video templates with the front end. Now, if you haven't yet, I'd encourage you to watch these two videos to get a better understanding of Vidently. So here I have a video project open in Vidently. It's a short video project with 3 scenes. Use this audio button in the menu bar up top to add audio to your project. You will see this dialog box with 2 main sections. On the left side is the voiceover section, and on the right side is the background music section. You will notice that both these sections are grayed out. Check this box to activate the voiceover section. There are 2 options here. You can use the browse button to upload an MP3 with your voiceover, or use this record button to record a voiceover. When you click the record button, it will open this recording dialog box, and you can click this button to start recording your voiceover. So let me do a quick demo with a short script. Hey guys, Anthony here with a video introducing to you Vidently, a video creation software in which you can create different types of videos using pre-made video templates. Check it out at ajgodino.com. You will notice that it has saved the voiceover as an MP3. You can use these sliders to adjust the volume and apply a fade if you wish. Similarly, you can check this box to activate the background music section. You can either use the browse button to upload your own MP3 or use a music clip from the Vidently audio library. I'll choose the Battle Hymn audio clip. Similarly, you can use these sliders to adjust the volume and fade. And you can close this dialog box once you're done. You can use the preview button in the menu bar up top to preview the video, and then use the create video button to render an MP4. Obviously, make sure to save your project as well. Now, even though this audio feature is available in Vidently, I mostly don't use it. I prefer using Audacity to record my voiceovers because it provides much more flexibility, especially in terms of enhancing the audio quality, and of course, I use a video editor as well. You can check this video to learn how to record a voiceover in Audacity. Well, hope you found this video tutorial helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.